So here we have x over y raised to the power of minus 1 times y over x raised to the power of 2. Now, there are various ways that you can deal with this. What I would like to do in the first term, I'm going to flip it upside down, and that will change the exponent of negative 1 to plus 1. So when you take the reciprocal of a fraction, and it's in brackets, then the negative exponent will become a positive exponent. Next, I can multiply the 2 into each of the exponents of y and x. So this becomes y to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2. And because we have our first set raised to the power of 1, we simply can say that that is y over x. Now I can multiply y to the power of 1 with y squared. So if I have y to the power of 1 times y squared, that will become y to the power of 1 plus 2, which is equals to y cubed. Next, in the denominator, I can multiply x to the power of 1 with x squared, which is x times x squared. And because the bases are the same, we can add the exponents together, and that also becomes x cubed. So we have y cubed over x cubed as our final answer.